Hi, welcome back to Krish Makeover. Today we're going to be discussing how to achieve acne-free glowing skin. In order to create our face mask, we just need 4 ingredients. We need to start off with gram flour, turmeric powder. I'm using Greek yogurt, but you can substitute this for any plain yogurt. And we need sweet almond oil. All we need is a bowl to mix these ingredients. I'm using a glass bowl. Try and avoid using plastic whenever you're mixing facials, especially when you're using turmeric because you don't want the plastic to stain. So to make this facial, we're going to begin with using 1 tablespoon of gram flour. We're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We don't want to use too much turmeric because it can lead to a yellow staining of the skin, which will come off. However, we don't want the yellowness. I'm going to use Greek style yogurt now. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. I need 1/4 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. And that is all our ingredients, and we just need to give it a good mix. Turn it into a paste. Before applying this face mask, ensure you wash your face with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Never rub, always pat your face dry. The reason why this facial is so good is because the gram flour is rich in magnesium, which helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains zinc, which helps to clear acne and even out the skin and reduce dark spots. And there's also other components such as iron and copper, which result in really youthful and glowing skin. The turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which can help prevent breakouts and reduce acne scars, brighten dark circles, and bring out a natural glow. The almond oil helps to lighten dark circles and dark spots and moisturize the skin, as it contains vitamin E, potassium, zinc, and protein. And the yogurt contains zinc and calcium and vitamin B and lactic acid. The vitamin B gives your skin a natural glow. Now we're going to look at how to apply this paste onto your face. I'm going to demonstrate on my hand for you. Spread a thick layer onto your face. You don't want to make it too thin because it will dry really quickly. So you do it as a thick layer on your face. We're going to leave this paste to dry on our face for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how thick you've applied it. Remember to always moisturize your skin after the facial. Like all facials, you're not going to see instant results, so ensure that you do this 3 times a week and be consistent, and you will definitely notice the difference in your skin. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.